now we are going to discuss about the previous gate paper question from the subject of communication system. Okay, this topic is related to the digital communications, that is nothing but FSK. Okay, this question is given in the gate paper of 2002. Okay, now the question is, for a bit rate of 8 kilobits per second, the best possible values of the transmitted frequencies in a coherent binary FSK system are. Okay, simply a FSK system is given and the basic bit rate 8 kilobits per second is given. Now what are the possible frequencies corresponding to this 8 kilobits per second? Okay, this is a very simple question. The given frequency modulation is FSK. Now in this FSK, the possible values are corresponding to 8 kilobits 8 kbps is simply integer multiples only. integer multiples of this bit duration, integer multiple of bit duration or bit rate. Okay, for the FSK, the possible values are simply the integer multiples of the bit rate. Here the bit rate is given as 8 kbps, that is nothing but 8 kilohertz. Now the integer for this one, integer multiples are the integer multiples only possible frequencies. Those are 8k, already it is there, that is 16k and 24k and 32k and 40k and so on. Okay, 8k, 16k, 24, 32 and 40k. These are the possible values of the FSK system. Now we'll check the options. The first option is 16 kilohertz and 20 kilohertz. Here 16 is there but 20 is not there. The second option 20 kilohertz and 32. Here 32k is available but 20 is not there. And here 20k and 40k. 40k is available but 20 is not there. Here if we observe the D option, 32k and 40k. Here the 32k and 40k is available. Okay, the correct option for this one is D. Okay, here simply the bit rate is given, that is nothing but frequency 8 kilobits per second, that is nothing but 8 kilohertz for FSK is given. What are the possible frequencies in this transmitted FSK? Simply the integer multiples of the bit rate is nothing but the possible. Here the possible values are 8k, 16k, 24k, 30k, 40k and 48k and so on. Okay, but in the options the given correct option is 32k and 40k is under the category of FSK possible values. Now the solution is D, that is 32 kilohertz and 40 kilohertz.